Hi everyone, we meet again in my YouTube channel Cooking with Zaidah. And as for today, I want to prepare something, should I say my style of fried Kue Teow. So how we do fried Kue Teow. And this, for those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do so, and let's see the ingredients. Kue Teow, mustard leaves, cabbage, prawn, fish cake and fish ball, onions and garlic, oyster sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, dark soy sauce, chili paste, seasoning, sugar, salt, water, oil. Okay, first we can chop the garlic and the onions. Now the garlic, can put aside. For the fish ball, we cut into half. Next is the fish cake. I'm going to slice. Now we heat up the oil. Stir fry the onions and garlic. If you want to blend this also, you can do so. Once it's caramelized, you can add in the chili. Stir fry further. I'm going to add in the dark soy sauce. And also the oyster sauce, my tomato sauce, and chili sauce. Stir fry further, and of course if you wish to add in a bit of salt, you can do so, because we already used the dark soy sauce, and also our oyster sauce is a bit salty already there, but here I'm going to add in a bit of salt and also some seasoning. Now I'm going to add in the prawns and also the fish ball and the fish cake. Stir fry further. Once the prawn change color, I'm going to add in the vegetables. This is my cabbage and also my mustard leaf. If you wish to add in bean sprout also you can, but here I've already replaced it with cabbage. And finally, I'm going to add in the Kue Teow. So I'm going to add in the Kue Teow and we fry until it's well mixed. Once you add in Kue Teow, normally you don't have to fry for quite long. Once it gets combined, everything is mixed well, you can just put on the fire. It's done. A very simple way of frying Kue Teow. There's many kinds and many types of fried Kue Teow in our country, but this is one of the simplest way we used to do it for breakfast every morning. So now it's already well combined. Now we can serve. This is my homemade Kue Teow, which I did earlier. Garnish with some celery and also cut chilies just to give colors, and also some fried shallots here. Okay, here is my style of fried Kue Teow. Very easy with my homemade Kue Teow. That's the most important thing. Without Kue Teow, you cannot do this. And for those who wish to subscribe, please do so. Don't wait, don't wait. Please subscribe and share, like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.